Today we'll talk about how can you disable language games on your pickup. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, just keep going down. Then you can head to language games. So then just come to this list here in this sign, click on it. So then you click here on themes, then like you see here color it's gone. That's mean here language games it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable language games. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.